Chief data officers and data governance professionals have so many demands coming from the business, both in terms of information that the business needs, wants to collect, or the types of insights that they need to drive their business forward. They're just awash in those requests and the availability of information that is there. And so what they really need to be able to do is stop relying on just manual practices, getting rid of the bureaucracy to manage and govern data, and really start to refine that information and make it rapidly available for the business to act upon. And so you really need to put technology in place to enable that scale. And in particular, what are the mechanisms that you can actually apply machine learning to automate a lot of the decisions, the availability, the quality of that information, and even more importantly, how you manage access and privacy. So really, you're almost applying an analytic or a system of insight approach on top of your data practices to make them better and to scale as your business scales.